You are never more than 10 minutes away from a local weather update here on Action News Now. And Patrick is tracking when the worst will arrive. Patrick?
Yeah, the worst will begin to arrive this afternoon and evening as the atmosphere really gets turning once the sun comes out, and we have a chance for some thunderstorms as a result. Here's what we have on the radar right now. Some isolated showers in parts of the valley, so not much going on at this hour, but that will be a very different story heading into the afternoon and evening. Some thunderstorms possible today, bringing a threat of funnel clouds and weak tornadoes. Small hail, but in large quantities, along with strong winds and some heavy rain at times. Heavy mountain snow as those systems roll into the mountains. But we will be calmer later this week as the system begins to die down. So here's what we are looking at for the threat of thunderstorms. This is coming from the Storm Prediction Center, and there is a slight risk for parts of Butte and Glenn counties and places farther south. Coming up in just a few minutes, I'll break down what exactly this means. But for now, for the sake of time, we are going to see a better chance at some isolated tornadoes and some thunderstorm threats this afternoon and evening. So timing some of it out, we will have a chance for some heavy rain at times by about 9 to 9:30. So you will need to take it easy on those roads as you're heading out. As we head into the early afternoon hours, though, we start to see a chance for some of the sun to break through, and that's going to help heat the surface, and once the surface starts to heat up, that'll heat the air, and as the air heats up, it'll rise as something that is less dense tends to do, so that's going to get things turning in the atmosphere, giving us a chance for some thunderstorms this afternoon. Now, what we'll have to watch for the risk of a funnel cloud or a tornado will be those isolated small cells that pop up in the valley and can spin really quickly, produce something, and then die away. So just be weather aware today, because some of these cells may not come with a warning, but they will definitely produce some danger with some high winds, some heavy rain, and some hail, depending on what comes of that cell. So just have a way to get some alerts in case something is issued, but really be weather aware today, and we'll continue to see that thunderstorm threat heading into the afternoon, into the evening hours. By 9 o'clock, a band of rain could produce some strong winds, will be possible through parts of the valley. Rain totals will depend where some of these cells set up. If you do have something setting up over you, then we could see anywhere from about 1.5 inches to maybe even 2 inches of rain. It's still hard to pinpoint exactly where, so just be weather aware. That's going to put some pressure on our creeks and streams and create some ponding on the roadways. Gusts up to about 40 to even 50 miles per hour today, and that's why we have a wind advisory in effect for the valley through tomorrow morning. In the mountains, there is a risk for some heavy snow, especially above elevations of about 500 to 5,500 feet in the Sierra, 4,500 feet in the northern Trinity County mountains. So just take it easy on some of those roads, but temperatures upper 50s to around 60 degrees today. And the next couple of days, we will see a chance for some showers Tuesday and Wednesday, heavier on Tuesday, but not to the extent that we're seeing today. But drying out as we head into the middle to end of this week. Still a chance for a few isolated showers then, but a lot of uncertainty in that part of the forecast. But for now, we have a lot of active weather to get through today, so have a way to get some of those alerts, because you may need them as the weather gets active this afternoon.
Don't forget the umbrella today for sure. All right.